All right, let's do this. Here we go. There you go. Mapped it out, mapped it out. Okay, so for those that don't know how to do this, and we're not paying attention on Tuesday because you didn't turn in the work, or we're not here, this you got to basically convert it to y equals mx plus b, and this is how you graph, right? That's what we did past 2 weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and write y equals mx plus b, okay? So remember, I got to solve for y. So the y is going to hide, and the 7x is trying to say, hey, where's the y? Hey, y? Hey, y? I'm out of here, right? So in order to get out, you got to put a minus, add a negative. You're not turning it into a negative 7x because you still have the 7x. A lot of kids say, oh, I'm turning it into, no. You're adding a negative 7x, which will give you a 0. And what you do on one side, you do to the other side because you walk it out. Bam. So now, there's a y. Oh, here I am. Shh. Oh, I'm alone. Yeah. Right? So now you got to put mx plus b. Which one? Which one? The negative 7x or the 3? Don't add them together. Some of you guys are going to put 21. And I'll put that in the quiz, 21x. And some of you guys are going to fall for that because you're not paying attention right now. All right? So you're going to put what? Negative 7x minus 3. Okay? Because, once again, this is in the y equals mx plus b. All right? You see that? And we could graph it. Easy. All right? How many of you got that one right? Put a shout out real quick. No? Nobody got it right? All right, cool. So now on the next one, the same thing. You're going to put y equals mx plus b. Because that's what you want to change it to. All right, so now I'm going to circle because the y is over here on the left side, which is awesome because that's what we want usually on the left side. So then let's hide. Shh, hide. Hey, where's the y? Where's the y? Oh man, I'm out of here. So it's a negative 8x. Oh, I'm going to put a plus x, 8x. I'm going to get out of here. Boop. And then plus 8x. Because that pops it, right? And then he's off there to the other side. All right, so what comes down? The y equals, now remember, it's not 19x. Do not make that mistakes. Do not make that mistake because the 11 is a constant. It doesn't have a variable attached. Oh my goodness. Man, I almost, oh my goodness. So, and then the 8x, where's my water? Darn. So 8x has a variable. So you cannot add them. It cannot be 19x. All right? I repeat, it cannot be 19x. You got to separate them. So then it's what? 8x plus 11. So look, y equals mx plus b. Perfect. See that? Nice. Ooh. Mana. All right, I'm going to pause it. Go do the next one. C and D. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. So again, and check it out. See if you got it right. So again, put a line, the balance y equals mx plus b, because that's what we want, all right? And we want to get rid of the 4x, correct? So I'm going to take away 4x, or add a negative 4x on both sides. See that? So now the y comes down, and which one am I going to put first? Anybody? Which one am I going to put first? The negative 3 or the negative 4x, or am I going to add those together? Let's see, Ruben? Anybody? Jesus? No. You got to put the one with the x. See this? mx? This is your guide. The one with the x. So negative 4x. See that? And then the negative 3. Okay? Just like over here, the one with the x first. Negative 7x. minus 3. And then over here, y equals 8x plus 11. All right, cool. Now what about the next one? Now this one, oh, this one's a little trouble. Let me put some music on. Oh, classical music. What's the next song? A little música, a lot of salsa. Boom, come on. Check this out. I'm not gonna say anything, all right? Here we go. All right, there you go. See that? See what I did? I did it on the first line. Okay, so now what do I have? I have y by itself. Now, Daniel, which one's going to go first? The 0, the negative 3x, or the plus 2? Daniel. The one with the x. Oh, same thing. Yeah, the same thing. Which one? The one with the x, and then the plus 2. All right, because we're converting into y equals mx plus b. See that? The x, the m. Got that? Cool, 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 cool. There you go, guys. All right, let me go. Now we're going to do E and F, and then GH, and then we're done. All right, let's do this. All right, so again, on the first E, let's do letter E. I'm going to do a balance beam, a little line. I need y equals mx plus b. All right, y equals mx plus b. So what do? Circle it. So I'm going to hide the y, right? Hide. The negative 5x is looking for, where's y? Where's y? Oh, man, I'm leaving. Hey, don't leave. Let's look for the y. Well, I can't find the y. I'm going to leave. I'm going to add a 5x. So he adds a 5x, and what you do on one side, you do to the other. Bam. So that's a 0. Hey, well, oh man. I could find the y. Well, where is it? Hey, y. Hey, y. I'm out of here. So then you're going to put a minus 3. See that? Because 3 minus 3 is 0. And what you do on one side, you do to the other. Okay? Now, remember, the 5x has an x. The negative 3 doesn't have an x. So don't combine them. All right? So what comes down? The y. Right? Yay! Now, what do we do first? Daniel. Let's go back to Daniel. Which one goes first? Ah, there we go. See? Good job, man. 5x and then the minus 3. Forget the 0 because 0 minus 3 is the same thing. And then we could graph it. When we start graphing, now I know how to graph it. So you need to show the word. You can't do it in your mind. Oh, mister, I did this in my mind. No, not anymore. You got to show me the word. All right? All right, here we go. That's good. That's good. Now the next one. All right, again, y equals mx plus b. Hey, mister, but the y's on the other side. That's okay. Why don't we just flip them? Wait, don't we have to do minus 6x? No, because you're not, remember over here, they're on the same side. So he wants to go out because the y is there. So, but here you're just flipping them so it could look like that. So I'm just going to flip them. Okay, so y equals 6x plus 4. Wait, mister, that's it. It's already y equals mx plus b. Well, let me see. Y equals mx plus, yeah, there's your graph. There's your 6 over 1, and there's your b. There's your graph right there, 0,4. All right? And that's it for that one. Good job. I'm going to pause it. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yo. All right, here we go. All right, ready? So remember, you got to convert it to y equals mx plus b. So I'm just going to put y equals mx plus b. All right, bam, right there. Okay, so you see how the y is over here? Well, it's got to be on the other side. I mean, you could go minus y, and then confuse it. Just flip them. All right. So, but don't remember, you're not changing anything. You're just moving it and moving it. It's not like the other ones where I gotta what I do on one side I do to the other. Okay. It's not that. It's you're just flipping them because the y is over here. So now it's gonna be y plus 7x equals -4. Okay. Y plus 7x equals -4. So now you circle it, right? Circle this side. And I got my y, but the 7x is in the way. Get it out. Get it out. Oh, what do we do? Minus 7x. Both sides. Got it? See that? Do not combine these two because one term has an x and the other one doesn't. So what do? This is a 0. So it's y equals what? Let's see, Jeanette. Which one goes first? The -4 or the -7x? Jeanette, -4, the -7x. Is she there? How about Edwin? -4, -7x. Which one goes first? Oh, yes, -7x. I don't think I'm going to have Jeanette's classwork because she's not replying. Oh, so I'm going to write it down like, and then the -4. And there's your graph. Bam. All right, good job, guys. All right, then the next one. Next one. Again, y equals mx plus b. Okay, so flip them because the y's over here. All of it. See that? All of it. Just flip it. All right. Now go ahead and start eliminating it. All right. So let's go ahead. Zoom in real quick. Start eliminating it. Okay. Jeanette, did you come back, Jeanette? Jeanette? So what am I going to, the y, I want y, right? So let's get rid of the -4x. I'm going to add 4x to both sides, right? So then my y equals 4x plus 0 if you want, or just 4x. You see that? And then you still have, remember we gave you some problems with when it was blank? So then your starting point is 0, 0. And then here's your m. See, that could happen, and that's okay. You know, there's no number. It's okay. It'll be 0. See that? And then boom, you're done. All right, and that's it. See that? That was pretty easy. And the song is done too. That's pretty good. Wonder what the next song's gonna be. All right. So that's it for the work. All right.